So I did supervised and unsupervised learning in agriculture, mostly because we read something in school like how the crop yield has increased exponentially. So, and I know artificial intelligence and machine learning and all that has played a role in it.
Mm-hmm.
So smart farming utilizes artificial intelligence and new technology to more effectively farm.
Right.
So the unsupervised learning aspects could be something like species breeding, where they can breed different kinds of crops or plants to determine to get more like effective nutrients use, and they can do that with machine learning because it takes all the field data from previous decades and how they perform in climate, different kind of climates to kind of build more specific genes with effective use of water and nutrients, and like that can more easily adapt to our more recent climate change. Then there's also the crop quality of plants. So it can organize whether crops can be healthy or unhealthy that can go undetected by farmers. So it can group healthy plants and it can also group unhealthy plants.
Yeah.
And there's a crop yield that they have. They base off machine learning. It's based off past data. Depending on how much rainfall there is, it can tell you around how much crop yield you're going to have. And then the supervised learning is something like weed detection. So besides diseases from that affect the plants, there's also weeds, and machine learning can improve detection of weeds compared to regular plants. So they have robots and machines that kind of detect plants, and they can effectively kill the weeds over not the plants.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's species recognition. So there's different kinds of plants, and instead of like comparing it manually, machine learning uses the leaf veins, and then it can group what kind of plants you have based off that. And then there's disease detection. Farmers used pest control and over the plants. So machine learning can more effectively, instead of putting it over all the plants, can put it over effective areas. So not as much pesticides are used. And then this is like the exponential growth of like crop yield of like some certain kind of things. And we can see like it's exponentially rising compared to the amount of land use kind of stayed the same, but the amount of production and yield increased a lot. And that's it.
Okay. Good.